Apple Pie-Infused Bourbon. Perfect for the Christmas season. Hey guys, welcome back. We're right here at one of my favorite times of the year. It's Christmas time, and one of the staple drinks I like to make is just it's actually a whole bottle mixture of it's Apple Pie-Infused Bourbon. And I make this every year, try to make it about every year, and I'm gonna bring you along this time and show you how it's done. Let's get busy. All right guys, this is just a small to a medium. This is a golden delicious apple. I can't stress this enough. I've tried the Granny Smith, but I tell you what, golden delicious makes this a much better recipe. Just gonna start by chopping this up. Get rid of that core. We're just gonna cut this down into chunks. All right guys, we got a quart-size mason jar. We're just gonna put everything in here. All right guys, for that we're gonna add just about a quarter teaspoon or so of ground nutmeg. I'm going in with not one, but 2 cinnamon sticks. Very simple recipe, guys. It's gonna take a few days, but my bourbon of choice here is just some Jim Beam Black. Got a whole 1/5 of it. I'm gonna put the whole thing in, or as much as it will hold. Will it hold it all? Not all of it. It's okay. I'm pretty sure we'll take care of the rest of that here in just a bit. We'll seal her up. All right guys, that's about all there is to that. I'm gonna give this a good little shake, or more, not really a shake, but you see what I'm doing there. That's about all we're doing. We're gonna put this up on the shelf for 4 days, and maybe once a day I'll come in and give her a little toss like that. So other than that, I will see you in 4 days and we'll finish this thing off. All right guys, 4 days is up. Let's get this back into here. Hey guys, a little funnel with some cheesecloth. We're going straight back in the same bottle, providing I don't spill it. Smells delicious. That cheesecloth just to keep out some of the particles. You see, we did lose a little bit to absorption into the apples. I know what you're thinking. Bite into the apple. Trust me. You can do what you want. Nah, I've done it before. I ain't doing it again. Me personally, I just discard the apples. That, to me, I've tried one in the past and it just don't taste that good. Okay, one thing I failed to add on camera, but I did go back before I tasted it. That was just a 1/4 cup of simple syrup. Kind of embarrassed I failed to put that on camera, but hey, it's in there, guys, and it will be in the ingredients listed below. All right, the moment of truth. Give this a go. All right guys, here it is, Apple Pie-Infused Bourbon. Let's give this thing a taste. That is, wow. As always, I only do this about once a year, folks, generally around Christmas time. I know you've probably seen the apple pie moonshines or the apple pie-infused vodkas a lot of people do. Guys, give this a shot with bourbon. It's awesome, and I tell you what, I'm gonna be enjoying this through the season. Maybe even in the next video, I ain't sure yet. I'm gonna try a couple things. I'm gonna do maybe an old-fashioned using this. I've never done that, so we might try it together. Guys, thank you so much. Thanks for tuning in. I kind of missed a week there, had some family issues, dad in the hospital and such, but we're back. We're going to be trying to put out a video a week, do these cocktail videos as often as we can. But cooking videos on Saturdays, cocktail videos on Wednesdays when we can. And thanks so much. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, guys. And that don't cost you a thing, folks. So, hey. See you next time, folks. God bless you. You have a Merry Christmas.